We'll be showing you the Condomounts Post TV Mount, which is suitable for square circular pillars with a diameter of 4 to 12 inches. All you have to do is, if you get this kit, you're going to get the plate with the polyphobic straps, and you have to insert it into the buckles and tighten it, and you are done with installing the slot grip technology mount on your pillar. And you have to then put on the TV mounting bracket, which comes with the kit, and the nuts provided with washers, which attaches strongly to the plate. And then there's two sides, the top and the bottom. And once you're done with that, the TV is going to be mounted on this black bracket, which is shown here. We don't have the TV, but here you can see that once the TV is mounted, you can articulate it, swivel it all along the mount 360 degrees, so that you can have a viewing angle from anywhere. You can go to condomounts.com to get this mount, and if any questions, post it down below. Have a good day.